Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 8. I hope that you are all fit and fine, and welcome to my period. And today our topic lesson 7, sorry not 9, lesson 7 and page number 40. Lesson number 7 and lesson name is Pointers of Medicines. Pointers of Medicines. So first of all, beta hurry up, open your books and look at your books. Textbook beta, page number 40. Page number 40. Lesson 7, Pointers of Medicines, Rahmai Dawaji. 200 years ago in England, 4 out of 5 children of poor parents died before they were 5 years old. 200 years ago, यानी 200 साल पहिरियों in इंग्लैंड में 4 out of 5 यानी 10 खां 5 ॿार चिल्ड्रेन और पुअर पेरेंट्स गरीब वालदेन जा डाइड मरी विया हुआ बिफोर पहिरियां दे वर 5 years old माना उहे केतिरा हुआ तक़रीबन 5 साल ऑफ देयर मेनी डिज़ीज़ उन्हनि खे केतिरियूं ई बीमारियूं स्मॉल पॉक्स मौता वाज़ अ वोस तमामु ख़राबु बीमारी बुरी यंग एंड ओल्ड जवान ऐं पोड़ा वर अटैक्ड माना हमलो थींदा हुआ उन्हनि ते हमलो थींदी हुई एंड दोज़ दैट डिड नॉट डाई उहे न मरंदा हुआ बिकेम डीफ उहे ॿोड़ा थींदा हुआ ब्लाइंड अंधा और इवन मेड या चरिया एज अ रिज़ल्ट ऑफ द इलनेस इन बीमारीअ जे सबब जे करे ऑल वर लेफ्ट विथ अगली स्केयर्स ऑन देयर स्किन्स या उन जी चमड़ीअ ते रहिजी वेंदा हुआ या थींदा हुआ तमामु किना दाग बुरा दाग बट नो वन एवर सीम टू कैच द ड्रीडफुल डिज़ीज़ ट्राई बट को बि माना ॿीहर उन ख़ौफ़नाक बीमारी शिकार न थियो अ पर्सन हू रिकवर्ड माण्हू जेको सिहत याफ़्ता थींदो फ्रॉम स्मॉल पॉक्स खां वाज़ सेफ यानी महफ़ूज़ हो फॉर एट लीस्ट सम टाइम तक़रीबन कुझु वक़्त लाइ दिस हैड बी नोटिस्ड हिन खे माना तवजह ॾिनी वई मैनी ईयर्स बिफोर काफ़ी साल पहिरियां एंड इट हैड आल्सो बीन डिस्कवर्ड दैट अ पर्सन कुड एस्केप अ सीरियस अटैक ऑफ स्मॉल पॉक्स बाय बीइंग इन्फेक्टेड with a mild form of the disease. This was done by making a small wound and inserting some of matter from the smallpox sore. This was called inoculation, यानी inoculation टुका हण पुट. But often serious illness or death that resulted. वन डे हिकु ॾींहुं मीन्स पुट स्मॉल पॉक्स माता हिकु अहिड़ी बीमारी हुई जेका माण्हू सां मरी बि वेंदा हुआ पर जे करे उहे सेफ थी वेंदा हुआ त उनजी बॉडीअ ते हिकु तमामु ख़राबु ख़ौफ़नाक मतिलबु दाग थी वेंदा हुआ ठीकु आहे पुट ऐं उहा अटैक कंदी उन खां पोइ हिन लाइ छा कयनि उनजो मतिलबु चए थो दिस वॉज डन बाय मेकिंग अ स्मॉल वाउंड माना हिकु स्मॉल नंढो ज़ख़्म थियो ऐं इंसर्टिंग उन में भरियो वियो छा पुट हिकु मादो स्मॉल पॉक्स सोर उन सोर जंहिंखे छा थो चयो वञे पुट इनक्यूलेशन यानी टुका चए थो वन डे हिकु ॾींहुं अ क्लेवर डॉक्टर हिकु चौलाक डॉक्टर नेम्ड नालो जेनियर हैड एन आइडिया हिकु सोच ॾिनी ही हैड नोटिस दैट हिन ध्यानु कयो त तवजो ॾिनी त people who had been infected with a harmless disease called cowpox यानी माण्हू उन जो शिकार थियंदा हिकु ख़तरनाक नुक़सानकार बीमारी जंहिंखे सॾियो अथनि cowpox which was caught from cows seemed to be safe from smallpox He decided to try the experiment. He put some matter from a cowpox sore into the little bottle and went off to see one of his patients who was waiting for a smallpox inoculation. The first vaccination, peri dawa putra peri vaccine. Good day to you. Story tamala Mrs. Phipps was his cheery greeting. मतलब हुन लाइ हिकु खेर खुआई वारी ग्रेटिंग आज या पुट. Good day to you. सुठो ॾींहुं तव्हां लाइ. Dr. Junior, young James, जवान जेम्स is put to bed, ready for you. माना वेठो आहे तयार तव्हां लाइ. Sir, and he is not afraid. ऐं ही ख़ौफ़ ज़दा न आहे. Are you James? तव्हां जेम्स आहियो. ओके, छा तव्हां जेम्स आहियो? There is nothing to fear. हिते का बि शइ न आहे ख़ौफ़ वारी. My boy, मुंहिंजा छोकिरा. Said the doctor. डॉक्टर चयो. Reassuring the child, यकीन ॾियारींदे ॿार खे. Who did not seem as confident as his mother had claimed. यानी who did not seem as confident, हू मतिलब पर एतमाद न हो, as his mother, जीअं हुनजी माउ had claimed, दावा कई. But first, पर पहिरियों, I have something to say to you. पर मां पहिरियों तव्हां का शइ चवंदुसि. Mrs. Phipps, shall we go into the other room? छा तव्हां मूंसां ॿिए कमरे ॾांहुं हली सघो था या हलंदो? If it's a fee, जेकर इन जी फ़ी आहे. डॉक्टर, I have it there. Here, मां हिते ई आहियां. The woman began. औरत शुरू थी. As she led Junior, उन अॻवाणी कई जीनियर जी into her parlour, पंहिंजी उताक में. I don't want to fee. मां नथी चाहियां काफ़ी. Listen, ॿुधो. The doctor seated himself on the corner of the table. माना डॉक्टर वेठो पंहिंजो पाण टेबल जी कुंड ते. You know that, तव्हां ॼाणो था त if I inoculate your boy, मां तव्हांजे छोकिरे जो मतिलबु टुका हणी रहियो आहियां, मतिलबु inoculate वैक्सीन करे रहियो आहियां. He will become ill. ही बीमार थींदो with a smallpox. छा ही बीमार थींदो आहे smallpox सां? Yes, हा. But it will save him from getting it bad afterwards. But it will save him. पर इहो हिन खे महफ़ूज़ कंदो. From getting, इन जे लॻण खां पोइ. Bad, इहो ख़राबु. Afterward, उन खां पोइ. Phipps and I have both been done. उन खां पोइ मां ऐं उन ॿिन्ही छा कई? डन कयो. राज़ी थियासीं मतिलबु. So we shall not take it when we are looking after him. Mrs. Phipps, I think I have found a means of inoculate him that will not make him ill. Will you let me try? छा तव्हां मूंखे कोशिशि करणु ॾींदो? Easy बेटा, पाण पढ़ी था सघो बाबा. But sir, how can it be of any use unless it gives him the smallpox? I think it may be. What I am going to do will not harm the child. You can trust me, surely, Mrs. Phipps. Indeed, I can, sir. If it had not been for you, I would have been a widow 2 years ago. Very well, here is a golden guinea for the boy. Ashrafi Putra. Having pressed the money into the woman's hand, the doctor went to the bedside. Okay. Now my lads, हाणे मुंहिंजा छोकिरा, give me your arm. मूंखे ॾियो पंहिंजी बांह. And look the other way. ऐं ॿिए तरफ़ ॾिसो. I shall not hurt you. मां तव्हांखे ज़ख़्मी न कंदुमि. With his lessons, पंहिंजी नोकीली छुरीअ सां. He made a small cut. हिन खयो हिकु नंढो कट ठाहियो. In the flesh, गोश्त में. Then उन खां पोइ holding open the wound, माना झलियो खोले छॾियो फट खे ज़ख़्म खे he could placed it in a small amount of a cowpox matter मतलब हिन उन में रखियो कुझु cowpox मादो that is all that's all इहो आहे my boy मुंहिंजा छोकिरा he assured the child cheerfully हिन पक कई ॿार सां ख़ुशीअ सां as he bandaged the arm जीअं हुन उन जी ॿांह खे पटी कई I'll call मां तव्हांखे छॾींदुसि and see you tomorrow ऐं सुभाणे तमाम सां मिलंदुसि The doctor slept little that night उन रात had they done right to infect the child with the disease of the animal would the child become ill most important of all would he be saved from smallpox that could be discovered quite easily for he could be infected with the disease by inoculation and if this new kind of inoculation produced no symptoms of smallpox. Each day Junior visited James Webb's. The child's arm swelled and after a few days healed. Then came the great test. Junior inoculated him with the smallpox matter in the usual way. The next few days were the most exciting of Junior's life. Again and again he visited the child, but no symptoms of the smallpox appeared. The second inoculation would heal them, and the child showed no signs of illness. Dr. Junior had made a wonderful discovery. The force which the boy's body had built up the fight the cowpox were strong enough to destroy smallpox infection as well. It seemed that the milkmaids and cowmen had been right in believing themselves safe from smallpox. Junior, however, was too cautious to jump to hasty conclusion. The next 2 years were spent in careful experiment. His chief difficulties were firstly to find cases of the cowpox, to provide him with lymph. Lymph means blood without plasma protein and RBC. Lymph means blood without plasma protein and RBCs. The clear matter from the sore and secondly the discover people willing to undergo the little operation. At last he felt certain enough of the truth of his discovery to make it known to other doctors in 1798. He published an account of his experiments calling his new method vaccination from the Latin word vacca means a cow. At first medical men scoffed at the idea that cowpox could safeguard people from smallpox, and one well-known doctor who should have known better declared the vaccination might cause people to develop cow's faces. And now beta, remaining lesson we will read tomorrow, and open page number 36. Exercise A, no beta. The second group of question words consist who, whom, which, what and whose. Here are some examples of their use. Who is the boy? He is my brother. Whom did he see? He saw me. पुट हू मीन्स जेको कमु करे असां उते इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं ऐं होम कंदा आहियूं जंहिं ते कमु थी रहियो आहे कीअं ॾिसो पुट हू इज़ दैट बॉय ही केरु आहे ही इज़ माई ब्रदर ही मुंहिंजो भाउ आहे होम डिड ही सी माना हुन कंहिंखे ॾिठो ही सा में हुन मूंखे ॾिठो विच डू यू वॉन्ट तव्हां आई वॉन्ट दैट वन व्हाट डिड यू वॉन्ट आई वेंट होम whose is it is mine whose put away and so these words are known as interrogative pronouns as you see questions are formed as before the word coming before the subject okay the only difficult is with whom in conversation we almost always use who instead but the राइटिंग वी स्टिल यूज़ होम पुट ॾिसो असां जॾहिं ओरली ॻाल्हाईंदा आहियूं उते असां तक़रीबन ऑलमोस्ट पुट छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं होम WHOM पर जेकॾहिं असां रिटन में कंदा आहियूं त असां इन कन्वर्सेशन वी ऑलमोस्ट यूज़ हू पुट कन्वर्सेशन गुफ़्तगूअ जे दौरान असां हू यूज़ कंदा आहियूं ऐं रिटन में असां छा यूज़ कंदा आहियूं होम कंदा आहियूं व्हेन द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज़ the object of sentence. Let's look at the first two sentences again. Who is that boy? What is the subject of the sentence? The answer is who. Whom did he see? What is the subject of this time? The answer is he. Okay beta. We might write the question like this. He saw home. Then it is easy to see what home is the object. We also use home after preposition in writing. To whom did she give it? With whom are they fighting? Very simple beta. Exercise number B and C you will fill. You will solve yourself. Now today our topic, our work have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you same lesson, remaining lesson tomorrow we will read. So thank you so much.